Now, we would like to start Ruby Biz Grand Prix awarding presentations session. In this area, we identify the businesses which have been using the Ruby's features so that they can initiate and also expand their businesses across the world. So we present awards to individuals or businesses. It was started in 2015. On the 8th of November, yesterday, in Maria Teresa, in this city, Ruby Biz Grand Prix 2023 award presentation ceremony was performed. There were 9 awardees, among which 8 are actually invited in this RubyWorld Conference 2023 speech presentation. The first speaker is from VAL Research Institute Incorporated, which was awarded the Social Impact Award. Mr. Yamazaki Takashi. Mr. Takashi Yamazaki is a speaker. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Yamazaki. I am from VAL Incorporated, and I feel very honored that our company was awarded with the Social Impact Award. In various business areas, innovative services are provided, thus giving large positive impact to the society. And we are very pleased that we have been chosen for this one. Expert web services, what? In the public the railway and also transport services, and we provide web APIs through which the best and the most efficient transportation route can be devised. And we are celebrating 33 anniversary by giving that information. We support people's transportation, and we are very pleased that we have been given this contribution opportunity. This web expert service is web API expert in various services, and our program can be incorporated in various approaches. Therefore, the public transportation services and those companies can take advantage of our program. In the manufacturing system, for example, that the business trip reimbursement is conducted, and for the calculation of the travel fares, and it can be done efficiently. And when you try to find the best station for going to the destination, you can find some good advice. So not only in that transportation, but also the expert web service can be taken advantage of and utilized for various areas. In the expert service, Ruby is used, and more than several tens of thousands tests have been conducted. And then automation is supported by our program as well. The public sector transportation services are changing while responding to the changing circumstances, and we provide our customers with stable and also innovative services. I was listening to Mr. Matsumoto's keynote address. Reliability is important as well as efficiency. So in order to have the advancement, we are using Ruby so that our credibility and reliability and efficiency are advanced. We continue to use Ruby so that our business can be growing further, both domestically and internationally. Thank you. Mr. Yamazaki, thank you for the speech. The next speaker is also from the awardee of the Social Impact Award. The name is Findy Incorporated. Mr. Naoto Hamada is the speaker. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for the introduction. My name is Hamada. I am from Findy Incorporated. Yesterday, we were provided and awarded the Social Impact Prize of the Ruby. And in yesterday's ceremony, I was listening to Matsumoto-san, and Findy is a very famous, renowned among engineers. And Matsumoto-san also registered himself. That was very, very pleasing for us, and we were all very gratified. Our company is still starting up on the stage. Findy might not be known to so many people yet, and if you are not actually knowledgeable of Findy, taking this opportunity, could you please come aware that the Matt is actually Matt has been told that he has registered himself, and that if we increase the subscribers, we shall be very pleased. Let me talk about the Find. Matching service was actually the start and the initial service, and in which an awareness was actually known to many people, and many people say that we are supporting that the job hunting. It's not only dedicated to job hunting, as shown here. The engineers who are challenging to their ideas and are supported by us. So engineers' life cycle and also the development and can be supported by various services we provide. For example, knowing yourself is one part. Engineer Lab is actually one media through which you can actually get various information about very actively working engineers, and online and offline. About 10 programs are actually distributed, and among the engineers, there is a communication and networking is expanding through our services. We provide that sort of opportunities. If you are looking at a team-based one, HNE Plus, which was presented yesterday, is used. That is for visualization of the progress in development. In the end, we can actually support the advancement of the productivity in various companies. Finally, Inc. is committed to resolving various matters which are bothering engineers. And if you remember our company as a company which can provide you with a solution for the problem solution. With my sincere thanks to all of you and the organizing committee, I would like to conclude my remarks, and the Social Impact Award is the one we were given, and it's represented by the name of this prize. We would like to continue our commitment to the betterment of the life and also people in society. Thank you very much, Mr. Hamada.
Now I would like to invite YUM Incorporated, Mr. Atsushi Ishii. The company also received Social Impact Award. Thank you very much for your kind introduction. We received Social Impact Award. We are YUM Incorporated. You use various applications like those shown on the charts. I think you are all using it. And we can have various combinations so that your work can be automated. So that is the SaaS type application we provide to the customers. For example, the sales management tools and something can be checked and the email can be sent as a result. If you work with this kind of processing, because you can write a Ruby programming, you can actually automate that process. There are people who cannot make Ruby programming, therefore they have no solution. Therefore, we provide solution for such people in the programming or Ruby. These are good tool for these people who have never used it, can utilize it for their efficient work. We are aiming at that kind of society in our product development. So social impact is what we are aiming at. Well, we would like to help contribute to the problem like efficient work style or a labor shortage in life. We would like to contribute that kind of areas through our product or service. So you may have the service which can be available free of charge. You can just try it and then you can just pay for the service. So I hope you can have efficient work with automation, and I hope you'll be able to use our service. And today, we are so happy and privileged to receive social impact, and that is something we are targeted. Thank you very much. I would like to finish my address. Thank you very much. Mr. Ishii, thank you very much. Now, I would like to introduce RubyWorld Corporation, which received special award. Mr. Ryosuke Akiyama, please go ahead. Thank you very much. I am from RubyWorld Corporation. I am Akiyama. I'm serving as the CTO for the company. Well, last 1 mile transportation platform is what we are working for. And we have the direct contract with the owner of the baggage, and we have the transportation work. In the logistics work, we do have the 2024 issue. Because of the work time constraint, there will be less drivers in the logistics market. Then we can help that kind of situation with a platform, like with efficient transportation, efficient logistics. And the joint logistics program is what we are offering for, so that with a less number of drivers, people can transport products or goods in limited district, like a 3 kilometer or 5 millimeter. If there are 5 sites of picking up luggage, if there's a 1 person for 1 site, you need 5 drivers, but we can integrate the sites, then 3 drivers can actually work for the 5 sites and can pick up the luggage and transport the goods, and we can achieve efficiency. So that is what we are working for. However, just having mechanism is not enough. We need to have a practical solution. So owner of the baggage and we have a contract so that we can share the driver with various number of the companies, and that kind of mechanism. And also logistics have peak and less peak during the daytime or during the month or during the year. So we have to handle this kind of fluctuation of business. It's a big challenge for us. And so in order to have an ideal workplace is very difficult, but system-wise, it's a very difficult but a fulfilling work, I think. So we are very happy to receive this prize. And Shimane Prefecture officials said that Shimane Prefecture also faced this kind of logistic problems. So I feel everyone is feeling the pinch of the current situation, and that's where we can contribute. Talking about our development, we started development in 2015. So 1 person to 3, very limited number of personnel, but by using rails. So probably the sites can be fully utilized. We will concentrate on the core business, and other business can be probably provided by the outsourcing service. That's how we can develop with a limited number of employees. So I hope that the further prosperity in Ruby community, and so that we can fully utilize the rail to expand our business. That's what I hope. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Mr. Akiyama, thank you very much.
Now, we would like to invite the representative of Kabuku Style Inc., Mr. Keigo Seta, who was awarded the special award too. Good afternoon, everybody. So I am very happy to be here. Kabuku Style is the name of our company, and Hafu is the name of our service. I would like to introduce to you Kabuku Style or Hafu. Have you heard about those names? Or have you? Hafu is the name of our service. It is actually the journey travel subscription services. You use the site and to search and air tickets and also hotels. That particular experience can be provided as a subscription services. When you book in hotels, and it's often very expensive, and on weekend more than 100,000 yen per night per room might be charged, and usually it is more than 10,000 yen per night per room. But at the fixed price, and we get the order from customers, and we can provide them with a successful booking, not only in Japan, but also internationally. We provide that service, including Korea, Thailand, and Peru, and Dubai. In almost all parts of the world, the Hafu service has grown so that customers can use this service. We can support our customers So it is a fixed monthly service fee, service charge, which are paid by customers, while the hotel tariff and changes. And how can we actually make a billing, make a profit based on that fixed price charged to customers? And we have gotten a business model which is quite advanced. Algorithm and technology can be used as a solution, while the market prices change almost every day. And we provide that service across the world. The system is based on Ruby, and many parts of the world, those people are traveling using our services. Let me talk about the kabuku style. 90 or more than 90 new employees are coming from outside Japan, Ukraine, Poland, America, United States, and Thailand, and others. And those people come to join our service and on remote services, on the full remote services. My dream is this, and I talk and I have a discussion with an engineers across the world. Ruby's and joy and also pleasure are all understood mutually. And so we can have a very frank discussion with those engineers who are all very pleased with Ruby's joy. And that is started in Japan, now disseminated to various parts of the world. That is very moving. So every day we are so joyful and also moved with what we can do through Ruby. Now advertisement. In Japan, we hardly employ new people, but there is only one post available and offered to Japanese people. Among you, you might think about that you might have some interest in our services, and actually the services are based on English. And globally, if you have got some aspiration to do something together with Ruby and together with Kabuku, you can have a very good opportunity of English language and also learning a lot. Thank you very much. Sata-san, Mr. Sata, thank you very much. Also, the special award was awarded with Dentio Incorporated. The representative is Mr. Takeo Kimi. Thank you. So we were awarded with a special award. The company name is Dentio Incorporated, and I would like to introduce you our company. Consumer electronics and related and subscription services. The service name is also Rentio, just like the name of the company. Our mission is to create new consumers and activities and new consumers and consumption. So that is what we would like to achieve. Let me tell you more details. So without buying, the customers can try some consumer electronics, so gadget and some high-priced consumer electronics and something you want to buy. But once you buy it, you might find that these are not satisfactory. Pretty much, and upgrade might be possible, but if you buy something, you don't want to have a failure. You don't want to have a disappointment. So we actually provide services to offer the rental use, and after 1 year you might not be still satisfied. In that case, you can return back that consumer electronics. Then when that product is returned back, it can be actually rented to somebody else. Maybe somebody would like to use the video camera for 1 night and 2 days only for special program they are participating. So we would like to offer some new way of enjoying the consumer electronics without buying. That can be developed as a sort of common knowledge and in society. So to that goal, we are making effort in our business. 5,200 products are offered in our service. So it is the rental services of the consumer electronics, but that include the apparel and products. So we have expanded the product lineup so that the consumers and our users can enjoy and also try various products. If you are interested, please do use and access our site and use our products. Some advertisement. We are also positive about hiring some people, especially engineers position, and we would like to offer some employment opportunity to engineers. There are some students in here, and we are not actually particularly strongly hiring the new graduates, but we are not refusing them. So if you would like to get some opportunity like an internship, please communicate with us, and we are open to the students as well. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Kimi.
Next, UO Corporation. Mr. Toshio Sankyo, could you please go ahead? UO also received Grand Prix Award. Thank you very much. I am a product manager and engineer, and my name is Sankyo. I work for UO. UO, as you can imagine from the name of the company, this is a fish-related business. Well, our company actually started from Tottori, and the founder was born in the fisher's family. And the bidding operation of the fish is getting small, and the number of fishers declining. So he considered he wanted to contribute to the prosperity of the fishing industry. So the founder started just a fisher in Tottori, but he wanted to work hard to make it big business. Now, well, we can provide information about the fish so that buyers from all over the country can have access to them. People in various parts of the country can enjoy the fish they have never tried. So this is what UO is a platform. And 3 years ago, we released this UO platform so that people can get information about fish and can have access from the fish. So it's an area, the industry where digital technology cannot enter easily, but we did our best, and with a steady effort, we slowly introduced this. And 90% of Japan's central fishing market uses UO. And they actually sell and buy fish in the supermarket or fishing store nearby. There may be some fish brought through the UO platform. Our headquarters is located in Hiroshima, and we have the office in Tokyo. We have development team and remote team. The feature of development is that we do want to have the transparency of the work, and we want to acquire knowledge. So sales members and product members also visit fishery market in Hiroshima or the fishing port in Shimane and Tottori, so that they have a good understanding about the work and to find out what kind of product service will be suitable to the industry. So we want to have the development which fit the actual people who are working there. So if you are interested in this kind of service, could you please join us? We want to work together with you. So it is our first time to participate in the Ruby event, and I was so much impressed and moved by the great community of Ruby, and we will keep using Ruby so that the marine product will be brought to you, and we will work hard. Thank you very much. We are very happy to receive this award. Mr. Thank you. Thank you very much. Mr. Shunsuke Michi of Pixib Corporation, another company which received Grand Prix Award. Could you please go ahead? Thank you very much for your introduction. I am CTO of Pixib. My name is Michi. It is our great honor to receive Grand Prix Award. Thank you very much. Well, Pixib, actually 2007, illustration, manga, and novel were posted. So Pixib, it's a posting service of these works. So we wanted to expand the service. For example, for creators, the booth for the creators, or Pixie Factory, or manga comprehensive service, passive or Pixiv novel, or communication application Pixiv sketches. We are covering various domains, and so we are working hard to cover all this area, and all the service are actually related to Ruby and Ruby all days, and we have official site. In 2012, Pixiv comic was released. Over 10 years, Ruby all days have been fully utilized to grow our business. It is because Ruby is a language which has been actually prospering so far, and together with Ruby community, Pixiv as a company have grown. So together with the Ruby community, I hope Pixiv service will further be developed so that we can have a more enjoyable life, especially posting of manga or novels all over the world. And that's what we are aiming at. So Pixiv and the Ruby community, I hope they will grow together. And the sponsorship or event support is what we are working for. And Pixiv staff will participate in this kind of event and also be committed to the development society of Ruby. Talking about Pixiv, we proactively having a new entry. So over 11 years I have been working for Pixiv, and 2011 I joined as a new hire. So I hope that students will be interested in working for Pixiv. And there are a lot of engineers, and mid-career employment is also what we are looking for. So we hope to work together with you. Thank you very much.
So happy, is that your uniform? I like it. Thank you very much. So Ruby Grand Prix 2023, please give a big hand to those companies who were awarded for the prize. This concludes Ruby Grand Prix 2023 presentations and speeches by the winning companies. The next presentation is by Mr. Kuwabara Masataka with Money Forward. But before that, let's take a 10-minute break. The next program begins at 4:15. Thank you.